Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of 11th Maths Second. Student, we had started topic number 5, sets and relation. In earlier lecture, we had seen what are the operations on set. Which are the operations we had seen in the last lecture? Are you remember? Yes. We had seen first operation is the intersection of two sets. Second, union of two sets. Then third one, complement of a set. And fourth one we had seen is the difference of two sets. All these operations, different types of set we had seen in the earlier 2-3 lectures. Now today we are going to see example based on all these points, that is examples in practice set 5.1. So let's start today's video. See exercise 5.1 in your textbook, page number 97. What is the question first? Describe the following sets in roster form. We have to describe in roster form. Question 1 is in the roster form. See what is the first question? A is equal to, what is the first question? A is equal to set of all x such that x is later in the word movement. X is later in the word movement. Okay. See, we have to write this in roster form. That is, we have to write it in the roster form means listing method. So, how to write? See, we write the words, letters with curly bracket. First letter is the M, then O, V, E, then again M. M is, we had written here M, so we does not repeat M. E is written here, then N and D. This is the listing method or roster form of the given A set. Okay. Similarly, second one is given. What is the second given? B is a set of all x such that x is an integer and x lies between, see what is the condition given? Minus 3 upon 2 less than x less than 9 upon 2. It is the condition given. So we write this as, see x is integer and x lies between minus 3 upon 2 to 9 upon 2. What are the integers? You know, 0, positive numbers and negative. So this means minus 1.5 and this means 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and here minus 1.5. Okay. So what are the integers between these two? Minus 1 is there. Okay. Then 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the integer lies between minus 3 upon 2 to 9 upon 2. Okay, understand? And last one is the, what is the last one question? C given. C is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 2n plus 1, where n belongs to set of natural number. See, which are the natural numbers? We know n belongs to set of natural number, means n is the natural number. So we write here n is the natural number. First natural number is, put first natural number in this formula, x is equal to 2n plus 1. 2 into first natural number is 1. 2 plus 1, that is 3. We get first value of x as 3. Okay. Similarly, you find next one. Next value, put here 2. 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Next value is 5. Similarly, you put here 3. 3 to the 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And so on. Because natural number is infinite set. So we can write similarly in this way. Okay, understand first question? See question number 2. Describe the following sets in set builder form. We have to write this in the set builder form. That is, we have to write the formula. See, first is the given zeros number, zero set. What is the zero set? We can write this as, let A is equal to this set. Okay, you write this as A. You write this as B set. Okay, here C set and here D set. Okay, so 0 in which set contains 0? 0 contains a natural number? No. 0 contains in set of whole numbers. So we can write here as A is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to 0 belongs to set of whole numbers, but x does not belongs to set of natural number. You can write in this way. 0 belongs to set of whole numbers, but 0 x means 0 does not belongs to set of natural number. Okay. Similarly, this is second. 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 2 means here there are numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So which set contains 0 and positive negative integer numbers? The set of integers contains 0, positive and negative. Okay. So you can write here B is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to set of integers. X is the element of integers. Okay. Or you can write it is set of integers represented by z. And what is the value of x? X lies between minus 3 to plus 3. Means value of x lies between minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This set you can write in this way also. Okay. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now this is the set of integers. So x belongs to z and x lies between minus 3 to plus 3. Okay. This is in listing method. We convert this into rule method or set builder form. Next, see, observe this 1 upon 2, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 10. Here, some formula contains. You have to choose this formula. How to write this formula? 1 upon 2 means you can write in this way. 1. 1 is the perfect square of 1. 1 square plus 1, 2. 2 square plus 1, 5. 3 square plus 1, 10. 4 square plus 10, 16. In this way it occurs. Okay. So see here, you can write this C set as 1 upon 1 square plus 1. You write this as 2 upon 2 square plus 1. You can write this as 3 upon 3 square plus 1. 4 upon 4 square plus 1. 5 upon 5 square plus 1. 6 upon 6 square plus 1. In this way you can write. So we write here answer now in set builder form as x set of all x such that x is equal to. Here what is the fixed number? Square is fixed number and plus 1 is fixed number. Which number is changing? 1, 2, 3, 4. You call this as n. So you write n upon n square plus 1. Okay. Observe which number is changing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 square, 2 square means n square plus 1. Where n belongs to. N is the number belongs to set of natural numbers. And what is the condition? N is less than 7. You can write n is less than 7. बघा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 असे नंबर आहेत. म्हणजे नॅचरल नंबर कुठला आहेत 7 पेक्षा कमी आहेत का? n belongs to set of natural number and n is less than 7. का सभी लक्ष्य करा. Next, here observe which condition you observe here. Set of all x such that it is 0, then minus plus is there. So you get here condition minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into n minus 1. See, 0 you can write 0 as 0 raised to, see, observe here, b is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into n minus 1. Here this condition becomes for all n belongs to set of natural numbers. N lies between, n belongs to set of natural number. And here one more condition is given, dot. Okay. Observe here, minus 1 raised to 0. 0 minus 1. What happens? Minus 1. Minus 1 raised to minus 1 into 0 minus 1. Then what happens? First condition you get here into, observe, minus 1 raised to 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 1 means here minus 1 raised to minus 1 into minus 1. This becomes minus 1 raised to 0 means answer is 0. Okay. Similarly, second observe, minus 1 raised to 1 minus 1 0. Minus 1 raised to 0 means 1. And here 1 minus 1 means 0. Okay. So we get here answer as minus 1 and so on. Understand? This is the question second. See student, question number 3. A is the set given, set of all x such that 6x square plus x minus 15 is equal to 0. B set is given and C set is given. We have to find A union B union C and A intersection B intersection C. For this, observe here A, B, C sets are given in set builder form. We have to convert this in roster form, that is in listing method, and then we find these two. Okay, so let's start. First, you find the set A. A is given the set such that set of all x such that 6x square plus x minus 15 is equal to 0. You write this. This is the quadratic equation. You know how to find the factors of this quadratic equation. You had already learned in the 10th standard. 15 6 are 90. What are the factors of 90? That subtraction becomes 1. 10 9s are. Minus means opposite sign plus minus. You solve this. 6x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 15 is equal to 0. You had already learned this in 10th standard. So I does not repeat again. Here common is 2x, then remains 3x plus 5 minus, here 3 is common, 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. That is 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So you get here x is equal to minus 5 upon 3 or x is equal to 3 upon 2. Therefore, we get A set as minus 5 upon 3 and 3 upon. Okay. Similarly, you calculate B set. B set is what? Set of all x such that 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. You find the factors of this also. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. 3 2s are 6. What are the factors of 6? That subtraction becomes 1. 6 1s are 6 minus plus 2x square minus 6x plus 1x minus 3 is equal to 0. Common is 2x, x minus 3 plus 1 remains, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, we get x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. I here directly write, okay. So we get the set B as 3 and minus 1 upon 2. Similarly, you calculate C set. What is the C set given? C is equal to set set of all x is that 2x square minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. You calculate, you get 3 2s are 6. What are the factors of 6? 3 2s are 6. So you calculate this, you get the value of c as minus 1 and 3 upon 2. Here you calculate similarly in this way. I write directly here. Now we want first A union B union C. What is the set A? Minus 5 upon 3 and 3 upon 2. Union. What is the set B? 3 and minus 1 upon 2. Union. What is the set C? Minus 1, 3 upon 2. What is the union of all these three sets? You compare this 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2, okay? What is the union of all these? See, you write first minus 5 upon 3, then 3 upon 2, 3, minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 and 3 upon 2 I have taken here. So union becomes this set, okay? And second, intersection, A intersection B intersection C. What is the common between all these three? C minus 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2. Intersection 3 minus 1 upon 2. Intersection minus 1, 3 upon 2. Is there is any element common between all these three sets? No. Anyone is not common, so it is null set. So we get the answer of this third question. Okay. Now let us see the question 4. What is the question 4? See first. If A, B, C are sets in the word college, marriage and luggage. A is the set of the letters in the word college. So I write here C, O, double L. We write once again A, only one time L, E, G and not repeat E again. Okay. Then set B is the letters in the word marriage. M, A, double R. I write once only one R, I, A, G and E. And lastly luggage. L, U, G, A, G here and E. There is no repetition of the letters. So write one letter only one times. We have to verify that A minus B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus. So how to write C? First we find B intersection B union C. First I find B union C. What is the B union C? Observe these two. Write union means all elements. First I write M, A, R, I, G, E. Then L, U, G is there, A is there and E is there. Okay. B union C is there. Now we write LHS. LHS is equal to A minus B union C. What is the set A? Observe here C O L E G minus this set M A R I G E L U. You have to subtract these. So what is the difference of these two sets? We eliminate the elements, these elements from these elements. Okay. So C is there? No. O is there? No. L get cancelled here. Then E get cancelled and G get cancelled. So what remains here? Only C and element remains. Okay. Now you find A minus B first. What is the A minus B? You write first set A C O L E G minus what is the set B? M A R I G E. So A minus B becomes C. C is there? No. O is there? No. L, E and G get cancelled. So what remains? All these set get cancelled. So remains only C, O and L. Next we find A minus B, we find A minus C. A minus C. First write A set and then write to C set. C set is L, U, G, A, L. So you subtract, C is there? No. O, L get cancelled. E and G get cancelled. All these set get cancelled from this. So remains is only C, O. We want intersection of these two sets. So we write RHS. RHS is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. What is A minus B? C, O, L. Intersection. What is A minus C? C, O. Intersection means common element. Which are the common element in both? C and O. You call this equation 2 and this is equation number first. From equation first and second, you observe that from equation first and second, we get LHS is equal to RHS. That is, we get, verify that A minus B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus, hence the proof. Okay. First you write the given set A, B, C which are given in the example. You write in the listing form. Then first find B union C. B union C you first find, then A minus B union C. B union C मध्ये सगळे एलिमेंट सबट्रॅक्ट करायचे. Okay. So what remains only CO. Then you find A minus B, A minus C, and then intersection of these two. You get LHS and RHS same. Okay, very easy. Let's see question number 5. In question number 5, there are given 10 examples. I only here solve 5 examples. Remaining 5 examples you can solve yourself. Okay. What is given? Set A is given, B, C and X is the universal set is given. And we have to verify all these 10 things which are given in the textbook question. Okay. We will start from first. In the first C, in the RHS, LHS C, we want A union B intersection C. So you first find B intersection C. For first, we find B intersection C. What is the B intersection C? Observe here, students. B intersection C means common elements in set B and C. So which are the common elements? 4 is common, 5 is common and 6 is common. So 4, 5 and 6. B intersection C. Now you take A union B intersection C. What is meant by A union B intersection C? Write first A set 1, 2, 3, 4. Union. What is the B intersection C set? 4, 5, 6. So here union means you take all terms in A and B. So you write first 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, 6. It is the A union B intersection C. Now in the RHS we want A union B, A union C and intersection of these two. So you first find A union B. Now you find A union B first. What is the A union B? See, you observe 1, 2, 3, 4. Union 3, 4, 5 and 6. You write union as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Union means all terms. First you write 1, 2, 3, 4 and then here 3, 4 not repeated again. So once only write one time and then 5, 6. Next you find A union C. A is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Union. What is the set C? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So union is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 4 is there. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we want intersection of these two sets. What is the set? A union B, intersection A union C. Observe here these two. We want intersection, means common element. 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is there, 4 is 5, 6. 4, 5 and 6. Okay? You call this as equation number first and this as equation number second. Observe equation number 1 and 2. All elements in the RHS are same. Therefore, we write from equation 1 and 2. LHS is equal to RHS. That is, what is the LHS? A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. This is the one of the property of union and intersection. Okay. Here completed first. Now what is the third? A union B, its complement. We completed this. We want A union B, its complement, and A dash and B dash. A union B we had calculated here. So now we find A dash and B dash. What is A dash? We want A dash. A dash means the elements which are not in A complement, means the elements which are not in A but in X. Which are the elements like this? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Similarly, you can calculate B dash. What is the B dash? The elements which are not in B but in X. Which are that elements? See, 1, 2, 3 is there, 4, 5, 6 is there, next 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we want A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. You first calculate LHS or first calculate RHS. Anyone. Intersection means common element in both. See, 5 is there? No. 6? No. 7? Yes. 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the common elements. 7, 8, 9 and 10. You call this equation number. Next, here first or next equation. Okay. Now, in the left hand side, A union B we had calculated. We have to find its complement. A union B, its complement. What is meant by A union B, its complement? The elements which are not in A union B but in universal set X. Such elements are 7, see, 7, 8, 9, 10. कॉम्प्लिमेंट म्हणजे काय म्हणाले बघा, या सेट मध्ये नाहीत, A युनियन B मध्ये नाहीत, पण युनिव्हर्सल सेट X मध्ये आहे. युनिव्हर्सल सेट X आपण युनिव्हर्सल सेट आपण U ने डिनोट करतोय, पण इथे त्यांनी X दिलेला आहे. ओके. Observe from equation 1 and 2. We write A union B, its complement is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Hence the proof. Okay. We completed this also. Now last one here. A intersection B we want. Okay. For fifth one. A you know. A intersection B is what? A intersection B common element 3, 3, 4, 4. 3 and 4. Then we want A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. See, this is the A and this is the B complement. Okay. A intersection B complement means common element in both. 1 is common in both 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now we want union of these two. A intersection B union A intersection B dash. That is 3, 4 union 1 2. We get union ends 1 2 3 and 4. Union म्हणजे दोघांचे ते एलिमेंट 1 2 घेतला आपण आणि 3 4. And what is the set A? It is nothing but A. Hence we prove the fifth also. Okay, understand? Now remaining two examples. See, these two examples are also same. Here only difference is given. What is the difference here given? Here n of is given, means number of elements in that set. So we first find n of A. What is n of A? Number of elements in set A. 1 2 3 4. 4. Then n of B. What is the n of B? 1 2 3 4. 4. And now we find A intersection B. A intersection B. What is the A intersection B? Common element. Intersection means common element. 3 and 4. Therefore, n of A intersection B is 2. Now you find A union B. Union means all elements. You write 1 2 3 4. Then remaining 5 6. Therefore, n of A union B is equal to 6. Now take here LHS. What is the LHS? LHS is n of A union B. It is 6. And RHS you take n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. What is the n of A? 4 plus 4 minus 2. 8 minus 2 6. LHS is equal to RHS. That is, we get n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay, hence we completed this also. Now remains it only n of B. We want n of A intersection B. We had calculated here. See last one, n of B we had calculated, n of A intersection B also we had calculated. Now we want A complement. First we write A complement. What is the A complement? The elements which are not in A but in X. Such elements are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. N of A dash, A complement is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we write LHS. LHS is equal to n of B is equal to 4. And RHS, what is the RHS? Now we want n of A dash intersection B also. Okay, here you calculate. First you calculate A dash intersection B also. What is the A dash and B? Here you observe these two. What are the common elements in both these? 5 and 6 are common. Therefore, n of A dash intersection B. These are the two elements. Now you take LHS. LHS is equal to n of B is equal to 4. And RHS, what is the RHS? N of A dash intersection B plus n of A intersection B. A dash intersection B 2 plus 2, that is 4. Here also LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, this we also completed. So students, in this video we had seen examples in exercise 5.1. Not all we had completed up to question number 5. Remaining example in this exercise we will see in the next video. Your today's homework is solve exercise 5.1 from question number 1 to question number 5 yourself. try yourself to solve all these questions. It is very easy topic, so you get full marks of this topic. You solve all examples in your notebook. एक्झाम्पल सोडवणं महत्त्वाचं आहे मॅथ्समध्ये, त्यामुळे तुम्ही सोडवणं गरजेचं आहे. नुसतं रीड करू नका, ते क्वेश्चन सगळे व्यवस्थित नोटबुकमध्ये सोडवायचं आहे. ओके, वी विल स्टॉप हियर. नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ वी विल स्टार्ट रिमेनिंग एक्झाम्पल इन दिस exercise. Okay, thank you.